In this video, we will discuss troubleshooting internet connection problems with Groupworld. If there is a problem with your internet connection, you may experience the following: error messages from Groupworld saying lost connection to server, broken or missing audio or video, or delays in audio, video, or whiteboard drawings from other users. You can test the quality of your internet connection by using our ping test page. Click the Start button to begin the ping test and let it run for at least 30 seconds. Click Stop to finish the test and view the results. The ping test transmits data packets to the Groupworld server, and the server then replies to each packet. The results show how many packets were transmitted and how many were received. If everything is working correctly, then the number of packets received should be the same as the number transmitted. The packet loss percentage shows how many packets were lost. With a good internet connection, you should always see 0 packet loss. Any more than about 10% packet loss will cause significant delays in the whiteboard and possible lost connections. The ping time shows the time taken to send data from your computer to the groupworld.net server and receive a response back from the server. Jitter shows how much the ping time varies from one data packet to the next and is a more important metric than the ping time in determining the quality of your internet connection when using voice over IP services such as Groupworld. If the jitter is high, then you may experience breakups and stuttering audio. Generally, a jitter of less than 50 milliseconds will give good audio, and if you have a good quality internet connection, then your jitter will typically be lower than this. If you experience problems with your internet connection, there are a number of things you can do. If using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your internet router so that you get a better signal. If that resolves the problem, adding a Wi-Fi range extender or a similar device to your network may help. Try turning your Wi-Fi router off and on again. If your internet service is known to be poor quality, try using a mobile data service instead. If you have a data connection on your phone, you can probably configure your phone to act as a Wi-Fi router so that you can use your phone's data connection from your computer. If using a VPN, try connecting without the VPN in case it is causing problems. For users in China, using a VPN will work best. If you can't use a VPN, try using Firefox instead of Chrome, as China blocks Google network services. For users in the United Arab Emirates, a VPN will work best. Alternatively, you can disable WebRTC for your room, which will also work. If you continue to have problems, please contact us for further support.